To do the tibialis anterior on the front of your shin, we're going to use 2 balls. Now I've got them in a bag here. You can get the balls kind of glued together, the double dome sets of balls, and you're going to use a block as well to elevate the balls. Then you're going to take your shin bone and put it between the balls. So first little thing is to find where you need to work in the tibialis anterior. So to do that, you're going to put some pressure into the balls and just roll along until you feel a tender spot. Now I've got one right about there. I'm going to sink my weight down and take a couple of breaths. And then the next bit is to find a way to shear the muscles, so slide the muscles relative to each other. So we're taking the soft tissue that's at the superficial level and separating it from the deeper levels. The balls are holding the superficial and we're moving the deeper tissue. So sink down. I'm just going to start by moving the foot in and out. Jostle the tissue. And sink in just a little bit more. And then start slowly moving the foot up and down. Doesn't have to be a fast movement. It's more about letting the tissues shear across each other. And I like to sit just a little bit more and kind of sink in nice and deep and let the layers of tissue slide a little bit more by themselves, kind of organically. Waiting. It's kind of rolling through a little tender spot, sweet spot, a sensationful spot. So I could do a little bit more work. I could roll my foot around in circles just to combine those 2 movements. And then keep moving through the rest of the shin until you find some more tender spots. And you might need to adjust the balls a little bit in case they come off the edge there. And rinse and repeat.